tell you what, Nick, this is one cool classroom.
It is what sets the AMC apart. It is truly a hands-on place to learn.
This is the Stephen Brown, just one of the Australian Maritime College's fleet of ships. An old coal carrier from the 50s. She may not sail today, but she has been turned into a floating classroom and caters for many different students.
We have the advantage here that we can take all levels of students for engineering and for maintenance around the vessel. We take them from coxswains MED 2 and 3 and introduce to systems, and we can cater for all those different levels. The engine behind me, we can get them to line it up, start it, monitor it, shut it down. We can put faults into that. We get them to pull valves down, look at fittings on the vessel. So there's so many different things we can show on this vessel.
On board is a wide range of different engines and systems, all of which are designed for students to pull apart, maintain and get their hands dirty.
To my knowledge, it's the only one. When we go elsewhere to try to train, we find it very hard to complete all our assessments, for instance. There's a big difference between looking at a vessel and being able to pull it apart, inspect, and we've got so many different things we can do that with at the AMC.
The Stephen Brown is just one of the training vessels on hand for those who study at the AMC.
We've got 3 commercial vessels so we can put people on to get them to operate vessels at the right size. So it's really good to be able to do that.
To find out more about what the AMC could offer you, visit the website.